Today, we are starting a journey into the world of prebiotics and probiotics. It's time to embrace the idea that not all bacteria is bad. In fact, our bodies rely on beneficial bacteria for optimal functioning. Probiotics are live microorganisms that offer health benefits when taken in the right amounts. These friendly microbes can enhance our existing microbial ecosystem.
It's Doctora Victoria and George.
Interest in probiotics is on the rise, and for good reason. Clinical studies are increasingly showing that their health benefits are not only for the gut, but also beyond. Not all probiotics are the same, and their effects can vary widely. Probiotics are typically marketed in foods or as dietary supplements in the United States. However, this creates a gap between how they're studied and how they're marketed. There's a wealth of studies on probiotics showcasing their potential to reduce symptoms of stomach distress, improve gut health, and even prevent certain health issues. Every person's microbiota is unique, so you should use your own responses to guide you in choosing probiotic products. Depending on what your diet is like, that will determine what kind of bacteria lives in your gut. Are you eating a Mediterranean style of food? Or how about a fast food lifestyle? This dictates what kind of bacteria you are feeding. Prebiotics are often called food for probiotics. They are non-digestible fibers that promote the growth and activity of beneficial bacteria in our gut. Think of prebiotics as the nurturing environment for probiotics. When combined, they create a powerful synergy. Prebiotics are naturally found in certain foods like garlic, onions, leek, asparagus, bananas, oats, and whole grains. Studies have shown that prebiotics can help improve gut health, boost the immune system, and even enhance calcium absorption. There's a growing interest in how prebiotics may contribute to weight management by promoting feelings of fullness and supporting better metabolic health. It's important to remember that achieving a healthy gut involves a balanced diet that includes both probiotic-rich and prebiotic-rich foods. To boost your prebiotic intake, consider adding those foods like asparagus, leeks, and whole grains to your diet. These can contribute to a healthier gut. Did you know that about 70% of our immune system resides in the gut? It's a dynamic ecosystem where prebiotics and probiotics play a vital role. A healthy gut fueled by prebiotics and probiotics can help regulate the immune response and protect us from infections and diseases. Probiotics, those beneficial bacteria, can interact with our immune cells and modulate the response. They help ensure our immune system stays balanced and active when needed. Prebiotics serve as the nourishment for probiotics, allowing them to thrive and continue their essential work in maintaining gut health and immunity. Research has shown that certain probiotics can help reduce the risk of respiratory and gastrointestinal infections, making them a valuable addition to our daily health routine. In the future, we may see more personalized approaches using probiotics to boost immunity in individuals with specific health needs. Let's explore practical tips for incorporating these gut-friendly elements into your diet. Let's start with probiotics. You can find these beneficial live organisms in foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. These can be tasty additions to your daily meals. And diversity is key. Try different probiotic-rich foods to ensure you're getting a range of beneficial bacteria strains, and maybe try something new to see if you like it or not. Now, on to prebiotics. Look for foods containing inulin, like chicory root, Jerusalem artichokes, or enjoy garlic, onions, and oats to boost your prebiotic intake. Here are some practical tips. Add yogurt with live cultures to your breakfast. Not every yogurt will have live bacteria in it. Depending on the species of bacteria, it can be sensitive to how it's stored, particularly related to the temperature. Further, you can include fermented foods like kimchi in your lunch and choose whole grains and veggies with your dinner. If it's challenging to get enough prebiotics and probiotics from your diet alone, consider dietary supplements. Consult with your healthcare provider for guidance. Remember, balance is key. Too much of a good thing can be overwhelming for your gut. Moderation is key in maintaining a healthy microbiome. Probiotics are even important in gut microbiota in obesity. Obesity is a global concern, but did you know your gut bacteria play a role in it? Your gut is a bustling community of bacteria, and the types you have can impact your weight. Gut bacteria influence your metabolism, energy storage, and more, and imbalance can lead to weight gain. There's some studies looking at stool transfers to see if that makes a difference so that people can get the right kind of bacteria. Studies show promising results in animals, and there's growing evidence of probiotics benefiting humans too, although more research is needed. So let's start with a basic recipe that's not only delicious, but also great for your gut. Today, what about a berry and yogurt parfait with a sprinkle of oats? Berries like blueberries and raspberries are rich in prebiotics, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. And yogurt, well, that's packed with probiotics. And here you have it, a delightful, gut-friendly treat. It's not only tasty, but also good for your digestion. But that's not all. Do you remember our other prebiotic and probiotic foods mentioned earlier? How about some garlic, onions, or leeks for prebiotics? And for probiotics, kefir, kimchi, or sauerkraut. A gut-healthy diet is all about balance. So mix and match these ingredients to keep your gut flora diverse and thriving. And what about kids? Kids, especially those receiving antibiotics, can face disruptions in their gut health. These disruptions may lead to antibiotic-associated diarrhea, a common concern for parents. When children take antibiotics, it can disturb the balance of good bacteria in their guts, making them vulnerable to digestive issues. This is where probiotics come to the rescue. Probiotics are like the superheroes of good bacteria that can help maintain a balanced gut, especially during antibiotic use. Studies have shown that probiotics are not only safe, but also effective when given to healthy children alongside antibiotics to prevent antibiotic-associated diarrhea. Now, here's an interesting stat. The number needed to treat with probiotics to prevent one case of antibiotic-associated diarrhea was 9. But with high-dose probiotics, it was improved to 6. While these findings are promising, more large-scale studies are needed to fully understand the benefits of high-dose probiotics in children. This is an evolving field of study, but certainly an interesting one. Are you interested in learning a little bit more about food and what's going on in your gut? Check out this video here, or maybe this one. Thank you for joining us today, our healthcare team. We hope that you'll join us next time. Bye-bye.